Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Tradovate demo account balance. So for that, first of all, simply come here on Tradovate.com. Afterwards, if you already have a demo account or a simulation account with Tradovate, you need to simply click on the option of login first, then provide your login credentials and you need to simply log in into your account. If you don't have an account on Tradovate yet, you need to simply click on the option of open account and then you need to basically sign up. Now, when you do this, you will be landed here on this particular trading mode section where you need to simply click on the option of access simulation in order to get access to your demo account. Now, when you create your demo account over here or when you log in into your account, you are going to see the account section here on the top, and in the equity section, you are going to see the maximum number of equity that is available in your demo account, which in my case is 50,000 USD. Now, in order to change it, simply click on the settings icon here on the top right hand corner. This way you will be landed here in your accounts section. Now over here you just have to simply click on the option of modify balance, and now you can just simply type the balance that you want. Now the maximum cash amount in the demo account should be less than or equal to 50,000. So here the 50,000 the max cap that you are going to get. So if you want to change it, you need to basically make the numbers below 50,000 only. So let's say I want to start it with 10,000, then click on the option of submit. So as soon as you click on the option of submit, you need to refresh the page, and this way you will be able to basically change it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.